Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix apps stuck on waiting on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have recently downloaded and installed an app from the App Store, and after that you see that an app has been stuck on waiting and the problem is still there, and you have tried out all the things and how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next, you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. Now the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here, and in App Store you have to simply look for that app, and you have to make sure that you have to search for that app. For example, if it is a Gmail app, and here you have to simply make sure that you have version of the Gmail or that app. So if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app, and after that you have to simply click on that arrow. If it is showing, then you have to make sure that you have installed properly that app from the App Store. If you doesn't install the app from the App Store properly, and you have removed the Face ID, Apple ID, then this will happen. If the problem is again occurring, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and you have to simply tell the Apple support that what is the problem you are having with the apps, and after that they will connect to you and solve the problem for you. And if the problem is still there, you can also check for the uninstalling of the apps, and you have to install the app from the App Store again. So in this way you can simply solve the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.